Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last few years, AI has completely changed the way people create content online. What used to take hours of scripting, filming, editing, and hiring actors can now be done in just a few minutes with the help of AI. From voiceovers to video generators, new tools are launching almost every month, all promising to make content creation faster, cheaper, and easier than ever before. So recently, a new platform has started getting a lot of attention in the marketing world. It's called Arcad's AI. This AI tool claims that you can create high-quality, UGC-style ad videos using realistic AI actors without recording anything yourself. No camera, no microphone, no studio, and no real actors needed. Now the big question is, does Arcad's AI actually work as advertised? Is it really capable of creating realistic AI ad videos that can compete with real human creators? And more importantly, is this tool actually worth the price? So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete and honest review of Arcad's AI. I'll walk you through what this platform is, how it works, its main features, pricing, and whether it's something you should consider using for your own content or marketing campaigns. So if you're curious about this new AI tool and want to know if Arcad's AI is legit or just another overhyped AI platform, make sure you watch this video till the end. All right, let's get started. Now let's discuss what Arcad's AI is and why so many marketers are talking about it. In simple terms, Arcad's AI is an AI-powered platform designed to help marketers create UGC-style advertisement videos using AI actors. UGC stands for user-generated content, like the kind of videos where it feels like a real person is talking about a product or sharing their experience. These types of videos have become extremely popular on platforms like TikTok and Instagram because they feel more natural and authentic compared to traditional advertisements. Instead of filming these videos manually, this platform uses AI-generated actors that can deliver your script on screen. The idea is very straightforward. You write a short script explaining the product or message you want to promote, choose an AI actor from the available library, and the system generates a video where that actor speaks your script just like a real person. For many marketers, especially those running online ads, this concept can be extremely powerful. Because in the advertising game, success often depends on testing different creatives, different scripts, different hooks, and different styles of videos. But creating all those variations manually can quickly become expensive and time-consuming. That's why tools like this are becoming attractive to advertisers who want to produce multiple ad variations quickly. All right? Then another interesting thing about this platform is that it is relatively new compared to many other AI video tools in the market. Despite being new, it has quickly gained attention among marketers and advertising agencies because of its focus on short-form advertisement content rather than general video creation. Okay? By the way, if you're curious and want to check out Arcad's AI yourself, I've placed the official link in the description. You can click it anytime and explore the platform on your own. All right? Now that we've discussed what exactly is Arcad's AI and how it works, the next important thing to look at is the features that this platform offers. Because when it comes to AI tools, the real value usually comes from the specific features and capabilities they provide. The more flexible and powerful the features are, the more useful the platform becomes for marketers and content creators. First, one of the most highlighted features of the platform is its massive library of AI actors. According to the official website, users get access to a collection of more than 1,000 AI actors designed specifically for creating UGC-style advertisement videos. These actors are built to look natural on camera and are meant to replicate the kind of videos you often see on social media, where a person talks directly to the audience about a product or service. These types of videos have become extremely popular, and many brands and companies are actively using them to get more customers. Then, another interesting capability is the option to create your own AI avatar. Instead of only using the actors provided in the library, users can generate their own digital character and customize it according to their needs. This allows brands and marketers to create more unique ad creatives rather than using the same actors that everyone else might be using. Then, the platform also includes a feature where AI actors can hold or present your product inside the video. This means the generated character can visually interact with a product or show any app interface, or even appear to wear branded clothing. This feature is designed to make the advertisement feel more realistic and closer to traditional influencer-style content. Then, another major feature is the built-in AI video editing tools. Instead of exporting the video and editing it in another software, the platform allows users to add elements like B-roll footage, music, captions, and transitions directly inside the editor. This helps streamline the production process and makes it easier to create finished ad creatives without switching between multiple tools. Alright? Then, the platform also offers emotion control, which is a feature that allows users to adjust how the AI actor delivers the script. Instead of a neutral delivery, users can write emotional cues, such as excitement, surprise, or enthusiasm, and the AI will attempt to match that tone while speaking the script. Then, the next important feature is multi-language localization. According to the platform, users can translate and generate videos in more than 30 different languages, like English, German, Spanish, French, and Italian. This can be especially useful for businesses that want to run advertising campaigns in multiple countries without having to record separate videos for each language. And finally, the platform also provides APIs for developers, including a video generation API and lip sync API. This allows companies or developers to integrate the platform's AI video capabilities directly into their own applications, marketing systems, or automation workflows. All of these features together show that the platform is not just focused on simple video generation, but rather on building a full ecosystem for creating AI-powered advertisement content. Okay? Now that we've explored the main features of Arcad's AI, the next important question is who this platform is actually designed for. Because while AI tools often sound impressive, but they are usually built with specific types of users in mind. First, one of the biggest groups that can benefit from this type of platform is e-commerce or dropshipping businesses. Online stores constantly need new advertisement creatives to promote their products across social media platforms. Creating fresh ad videos regularly can be expensive if companies rely on influencers or video production teams. With a tool like this, businesses can generate multiple UGC-style ad videos quickly and test different messaging to see what performs best. Then, another group that may find this platform useful is affiliate marketers. Affiliates often promote different products and services online, and video content is one of the most effective ways to attract attention and drive conversions. Instead of recording videos themselves or hiring creators, affiliates could potentially use AI actors to produce short promotional videos for the products they're promoting. Then, the platform may also be helpful for mobile app developers and SaaS companies. These businesses frequently run advertising campaigns to attract new users, and short-form video ads have become one of the most effective formats for app marketing. By using AI-generated videos, developers can quickly create promotional content demonstrating how their apps work. Then, marketing agencies are another potential audience for this platform. Agencies typically manage advertising campaigns for multiple clients at the same time, which means they need to produce a large number of creatives regularly. A platform that allows them to generate different ad variations quickly could help them test campaigns faster and improve results for their clients. Okay? Now let's talk about the pricing, because before using any AI platform, most people want to understand how much it actually costs. First, simply click the link in the description where I've mentioned the official website of Arcad's AI. Once you open the website, you'll need to sign up using your email. After creating your account, then you'll be able to see the full pricing page. So currently, the platform offers 3 main plans: Starter, Creator, and Pro. Each plan comes with different limits and features depending on how many AI videos you want to create and how advanced the tools you need. First, the starter plan is the basic option and costs $88 per month. In this plan, you receive 10 credits per month and access to 300 natural AI actors and the ability to generate videos in 35 different languages. The platform also mentions a 2-minute wait time for generation, and you can create videos that play for 120 seconds. This plan is mainly designed for users who want to test the platform or create a small number of ad videos each month. Then the next plan is the Creator Plan, which costs $176 per month. In this plan, you receive 20 credits per month and everything that is included in the starter plan. In addition to that, you also get 1,200 seconds of AI avatar talking and 100 AI avatar reactions and the ability to generate 100 AI videos. It also unlocks extra tools like motion control using Kling and Wan, then the ability to extend videos and editing features such as removing backgrounds and adding captions. This plan also includes access to 1,000 Nano Banana credits, which are used for additional AI capabilities inside the platform. Okay?
And finally, there is the Pro Plan, which is designed for businesses and agencies that need higher limits and advanced functionality. This plan costs $440 per month and provides 50 credits per month along with everything included in the Creator Plan. In this plan, you can generate 3,000 seconds of AI avatar talking, and you get access to 1,000 natural AI actors. It also includes integrations like 11 Labs and the ability to clone your own actors and tools for team collaboration. Then, on top of that, users receive ad performance guidance, API access, and 3,000 Nano Banana credits for additional AI capabilities. Okay? Now, it's also important to understand how the billing process works. The prices I mentioned earlier apply when you choose the yearly billing option. However, if you decide to go with a monthly plan instead, the initial price appears slightly lower. In the monthly billing option, the starter plan costs $77 per month, the Creator Plan costs $154 per month, and the Pro Plan costs $385 per month. So, at first glance, the monthly option might look cheaper. However, there is an important catch that many people might miss. After the first billing cycle, when the plan renews, the starter plan price increases to $110 per month from the next month. Because of this, the monthly option can actually become more expensive over time. But if you choose the yearly billing option, then the starter plan costs $88 per month, which stays consistent throughout the subscription period. So when you compare the long-term cost, the yearly plan can actually be the more stable and cost-effective option. So in my opinion, if you're planning to use this platform seriously and build a real marketing workflow around it, then the yearly plan usually makes more sense. And if you're confused about which plan to choose, then I would personally recommend either the Creator Plan or the Pro Plan, depending on your budget and how many videos you plan to generate. These plans unlock more features and give you higher limits, which can be much more useful if you're creating advertisement content regularly. Okay? So, to sum everything up, Arcad's AI is a modern AI platform focused on helping marketers generate UGC-style advertisement videos quickly using AI actors. It offers a large library of digital actors, multiple language support, and tools specifically designed for creating social media ad creatives. The platform is mainly suitable for advertisers, agencies, e-commerce brands, and affiliate marketers who regularly need fresh video ads for their campaigns. While the pricing may feel a bit high for beginners, but the features and automation it provides could make the process of ad creation much faster for businesses that rely heavily on video marketing. Okay? So, to explore the platform yourself, you can click the official link in the description below, then create your account and check out the features and pricing directly from the dashboard. Okay? So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the video reach more people. And if you enjoy watching honest reviews of AI tools, marketing platforms, and ways to make money online, then consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.